Yes, sir.
You wrote on the window, sir.
What do you need?
You're on a traffic stop.
Okay, what do you need?
You need your driver's license, proof of insurance.
There's my driver's license. Look in there for the insurance. What'd you pull me over for?
For your speed, 58 over 35.
Okay. Sit down.
You mind giving it to me? I'm gonna take you out of the vehicle then.
Why?
I can't take you out of the vehicle. You're on a traffic stop.
For officer safety, right?
Nice officer safety.
Okay, what do you fear? What are you in fear of?
You don't have your window. You're not providing me ID anyway.
I'm providing it right here, but the law.
Is there tint right?
Okay, here.
You know the legal limit.
The law says I have to.
The law says I can pull you out of the vehicle when I
Okay,
want.
but the law says I have to display. The law says
versus means allows me to get you out of the vehicle. So you're gonna comply or not?
comply with what?
You're gonna comply.
With what?
I'll get you out of the vehicle right now.
What are you gonna? What do you want me to comply with?
I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna do it for you.
What do you want me to comply with?
I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna do
You want me to get out?
You want to step out of the vehicle?
Okay. Lock the doors.
This is your driver's license.
So I'm asking for how to do it. So my safety is to bring it. You understand that? Okay, so that's what now you understand principle of officer safety. Okay? So that's what I said. The traffic code says I have to disclaimer, right? I said step out of the vehicle. Anything I can see after the window? Do you know what the limit for the window?
That window's broken.
Can you go ahead and roll up your window?
No thanks.
Why not? You know your tint's under the legal limit, right? 25%.
I don't answer questions.
It's not a question.
You did ask me a question. You just asked me, did I know something?
Okay, well I'm saying.
Why are you so nervous, deputy?
Nervous?
Yeah, you're nervous. You're shaking like a motherfucker.
Nervous about what?
Are you gonna give me some tickets?
Yeah, I'm gonna cite you for your window tint as well.
Okay, cite me.
Okay, do you mind rolling it up for me?
No, I'm not gonna do that.
You know it's a traffic violation, right?
I get that, but I don't have to assist you with your investigation.
It's not an investigation.
You're doing an investigation right now.
Traffic stop.
Okay, do your investigation, but I'm not gonna assist you.
You're not gonna assist me?
I'm not gonna assist you. I'm gonna comply with any lawful orders you give me. Rolling up my window is not a lawful order.
Well, you know it's a traffic violation.
Okay,
right?
give me a ticket then.
Like I said, I need to get the window percentage.
I'm not gonna comply with that. I don't have to. Okay. I'm not gonna assist you in your investigation. This is a reasonable suspicion. This is not probable cause. You suspect my window tint is illegal. You don't have probable cause. Until you use that temp meter on my window, that's probable cause. I'm not gonna assist you in your investigation.
Like I said, it's probable cause.
It's not probable cause.
Yes, it is.
Pulling me over for speeding is probable cause. Window tint is suspicion. Reasonable suspicion.
So if I can't see it through the vehicle, that's probable cause. Can you provide me your driver's license again?
You don't have it?
No, I didn't get your DO number. Can I just clarify? What's your height?
I don't answer questions. I mean, I gave you everything I'm required to give you.
So how am I supposed to identify you?
I just gave you my driver's license.
What would you say, more or less? 6 feet?
Take a guess. Take a guess, bro. I gave you everything I'm required to give you. My driver's license and insurance. I don't have to answer any of your questions. You need to learn that.
Not a question.
You asked me what my height is, you dumbass. That's
So
a
you're
question.
supposed to provide your driver license.
I gave you my driver license.
So you're supposed to display it.
I did.
Like you said earlier.
I
you're supposed
did.
to display
I did display it. I just.
And I'm asking you to display it again.
I did it twice already. Go
I
run
can
it.
ask you again?
Hey, when you run my license, it'll tell you my height.
That doesn't say.
Okay.
5'11".
What else you need off this?
Thank you very much.
What else you need off this?
Blue eyes.
Big.
What?
It says that on there. It says it on the back.
Say so, sir.
Why are you so fucking nervous, man? You never dealt with a guy like me, have you?
Honestly, I don't care about you.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about you either. Give me a fucking citation and let me go.
Here's your citation. See your signature.
Hold this. Next time, don't escalate, man. De-escalate.
Escalate.
Learn how to de-escalate, mother. Fuck out of here. The fuck out of here, bitch. Young mother. I'm old enough to be your daddy. Shut the fuck up.
Unlawful stop. The driver is calm, camera up, and he immediately asks the only question that matters first: what did you pull me over for? Things escalate when the deputy leans on officer safety, hinting he can pull the driver out. The driver keeps it surgical. I'll comply with lawful orders. What exactly do you want? When told to step out, he does, making it clear he's complying with law, not intimidation. Round 2 is window tint. The deputy wants the window rolled up to meter it. The driver refuses to assist the investigation beyond what the law requires, and he frames it cleanly: reasonable suspicion versus probable cause. Suspicion about tint isn't PC until the meter reading proves a violation, and he's not required to help create that proof. When the deputy starts fishing, the driver stays firm and declines to answer the questions. That ends the guessing games. The deputy backs off the paperwork, issues the citation, and there's no arrest, no search, no ID beyond what's required. Bottom line, the auditor held the line exactly right. Comply with lawful orders, refuse unlawful assistance, keep the focus on cause, and document everything. Lawful order is not equal to every order. Camera rolling, rights intact. Let's keep going.
Show you. Get my back, man, so I can go.
I gotta see it. The vehicle code says you have to actually give us the license.
I ain't got it. It's not. That's a lie. You a lie. It's displayed. I'm finna go to my recollection in a minute because I know the penal code. I'm sorry, guys.
Let me have this.
I could display it to you.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna put the
Hey, they talking about I gotta give them my driver license. Displaying. Look at this guy right here. He ready to f me up. He told, and I got my kids in the car. And
I'll be on arrest myself and deputy.
y'all might as well go ahead and call the ambulance too.
Tracy, no.
Hey, they pulled me over. They say I ran a red light allegedly.
Baby.
You know what I'm talking about? But this lady right here, don't talk to me right now. I'm trying to get this out of the way. And he ain't even got his camera on. All you gotta do is write a ticket, Vasquez, when we get on.
All you have to do is follow instructions and
This
you
is
put it
gonna be
on.
this is gonna be your last chance. Give me that driver's license, or else we're gonna break your window.
No,
We're gonna take you
I
down.
want you to refrain from breaking windows. Just say that, give me your driver's license, I'm gonna take you to jail.
Give me your driver's license.
Or you gonna take me to jail if I
Give me your
don't?
driver's license.
Huh?
I'm not gonna ask you again. Give me your driver's license.
You not gonna ask me again?
I'm giving you an order.
Okay, you give me an order, okay.
Give me your driver's license.
Okay, that's even better. You giving me an order. I accept that. Sarge, here. 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 Got it here. What?
You need to act right, dude.
Nah, you need to honor your oath. You need to honor your oath, and you need to honor your oath.
Honoring my oath.
You know what I mean?
The whole time I've been
It display you threatened my life.
names and out of my name.
You threatened my life. Of course I called you a. You shouldn't have touched my car.
How to respect authority.
They ain't gonna respect y'all. We don't need y'all here.
Well, if you're teaching him that, then it's not the right way, man.
And then you're getting her caught up.
She not caught up. She ain't did nothing wrong. She not a criminal. It's all on me.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about? Y'all ain't gotta talk to her.
It's very embarrassing that you're actually.
It's embarrassing that she unprofessional.
Let's switch uniforms. You can tell me how to do my job.
Hell, y'all can tell you how to do your job. I tell you what to do. I'm your boss.
How was that?
I'm a citizen.
Let me guess.
I'm a
You didn't bother
citizen.
me with
I pay taxes, yes.
Okay. I'm sure you do.
Of course.
I'd love to drive a Beamer too.
You might got one already. Don't ask me if I'm on probation or parole. Get the up out of here. Is your mama on probation or parole?
Is your mama on probation or parole?
Your daddy on probation or parole?
Probation or parole?
Is your kids on probation or parole?
Actually, my kids are not, because I teach them by example.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You don't teach them. They gonna see the that you do. You ain't right. You ain't right. None of y'all sheriffs is right. Y'all wrong. We don't need y'all in this community. Hey, look at all the people record. I love this type of shit. Look at all the people that's recording. Hey, everybody, I just got pulled over, y'all. They allege I ran a red light. And this is what happens when you allege you run a red light. I'm in the city of Compton in Target parking lot on Alameda. Yeah, this Alameda and Greenleaf. She pulled her gun out on me and he pulled his gun out on me. Y'all finished writing my ticket? Go and write my ticket so I can go. I got a sarge right here talking about get out the car. Get out the car. I'm gonna bust your window. Come better than that. Your language is foul. You got to say, I order you to get out the car. I order you to give me this. I'm asking don't mean shit. That when you ask somebody, they ain't gotta do it. If you order somebody to do something, that's fine. I order you to give me your license. That's like I do that. I will. And like my name ain't Terry neither. Do you a favor?
So keep your hands up.
All right. I told you, I just taught you something. When you talking to somebody, if you gonna ask. No, you listen. If you gonna ask. Listen, hold up, be quiet for a minute. Listen to me. If you gonna ask something, ask something. If you gonna demand something, demand something. It's how you do it. Ain't no man to man. You acting a fool. Acting like a kid? You acting like a kid? You don't want to honor my rights? You want to kill me? You want to pull your guns out on me? Come on, man. I don't mean y'all no harm. You just pulled your gun out on me. The that said I dropped my license down there. I'm telling you, I don't mean you no harm, man. I don't want to touch y'all. I don't want to go hands on hands. Have you been arrested?
No, never.
All right, then. That's your question. That's your answer. I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions. How you know? Do you know me? Do you know me? We? Who is we? Who is we?
Your record says it all, man.
What my record is?
Oh my God.
I know if I could drive, brother. This is what's gonna happen.
This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna get your ticket, you're gonna sign it, and then everybody's gonna go on their own way. All right?
Be quiet, baby.
You hear me?
Do you hear yourself? A ticket for all this, I swear. And it's up too that they play these psychological wars fair with you and all this old shit, y'all. You know what I mean? Everybody got the right to display licenses. You don't have to give them niggas your licenses. You can display it. You can crack your window. Look, my window cracked. Display. That old trying to demand, trying to touch on citizens, trying to search they, violate their Fourth Amendment rights. Out with y'all, sheriffs. Well, police, period, all over the country. All y'all sheriffs, all the United States ever did for this world was commit genocide. Killed everybody and put everybody in prison. Straight genocide. United States of America, that's all y'all do. And the sheriff's right along with them. Y'all need to be off the force. I ain't got no problem signing the ticket and getting on, but all that old intimidation shit is a wrap. You know what I mean? Y'all don't scare the citizens no more. We got our guns right here, these cameras. These cameras are weapons. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, they put their guns out on me, guys. I had to go live. I don't know why my other camera not working. I had to go live on this and they put their guns out on me. Yeah, American gangsters. Right here. That's what you American gangster. That's what everybody, my viewers telling me, you American gangster, Marino.
Sir, if I can have you sign this ticket. Your ticket date for court is going to be March 2022. I need you to sign this. You're not admitting guilt. You're just promising to appear.
Stop. Stop.
See, look, at least I made you laugh.
I like her.
Stay in court, Tracy.
I see your too.
Give me some overtime. Thank you.
You overtime. Sarge, get out my way, man. The out my way. Ooh, get out my way. What's up, man? What's your name? Good citizen. Hey, he a black guy too. Look at that smile. Hey, you trying to snatch me out my car. Hey, tell the Sarge, get the fuck out my way.
This encounter is a prime example of how some officers take things way too far, escalating what should have been a simple traffic stop into a dangerous situation. Let's get one thing straight. You have the right to display your driver's license without handing it over. This driver was following the law by showing his ID through the window, but the officers weren't having it. Instead of handling the situation professionally, they threatened to break the window and drag him out. That's not just excessive, that's a straight-up abuse of power. The police are supposed to protect and serve, not intimidate and escalate. Pulling out guns over an alleged traffic violation? That's not just ridiculous, it's reckless. The Fourth Amendment is supposed to protect us from unreasonable searches and seizures, yet these officers acted like the rules didn't apply to them. You're not obligated to bow down to demands that go beyond the law. The driver showed courage by standing up to these unlawful threats, reminding us that we have to push back against overreach. At the end of the day, it's on us to hold law enforcement accountable. If you're faced with this kind of intimidation, stay calm, record everything, and know that you're within your rights. The law is there to protect you. Don't let anyone, especially those sworn to uphold it, tell you otherwise. Let's keep going.
Let me get my ID. Yeah, record this, Adrian.
Why we pulled over, sir?
We just left the USF game and y'all driving aggressively and right up on my butt. Why would y'all driving my then you snatching it? Oh, so you think you snatched my ID,
Yes,
right?
I
For
did.
what reason?
To identify you because it's a lawful traffic stop. The vehicle comes back unregistered. That's why
It's a brand new car. I just bought this car less than 3 weeks
Well,
ago.
It's not showing registered.
All
Got
right.
an ID on you, boss man?
No, you ain't taking my son's IDs. They're my sons.
Okay.
And they very well. We went to a college USF game, and you got nothing better else to do.
Some kind of way, sir?
Huh?
Am I treating you like you're
No,
you're
but
a
you asking
criminal or
my
anything? I have the right
16-year-old
to do
for
that.
he don't have ID, and neither do my other one in the back seat.
Okay, perfect. I have the right
They
to
got a
ask
student
everybody
ID.
in the car for their ID.
But
Okay,
what-
let's get this straight.
No, we
you
ain't
don't
getting
run
nothing
this scene.
straight.
I run this
It's
scene.
nothing
okay?
to be ran
It's that
here.
simple.
It's nothing to
that
be
simple.
ran. It's nothing to be ran. He has my ID. He snatched my ID out my hand.
All right, cool. Well,
All right. So
Perfect,
what?
sir.
What else we need?
hey, just so you know, you have spike strips underneath your tires, so if you try to take off your
We ain't got
Spike
no-
strips?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I just want you. I just want you to know that, so that way you
okay.
don't try to take off
Okay.
and bust your tire. That's all.
Okay, that's fine.
Where we got to go, sir?
Listen, all it is, it's simple, man.
You guys was driving aggressively. I thought you was a young person driving aggressively. You ran the red light, and I'm like, look at these teenagers running the red light. Teaching my sons not to drive like that. But instead, y'all got behind me because I hit on brakes because I thought you was some teenagers driving aggressively, and I was teaching my sons not to
Do I
drive
ever get a chance
aggressively.
to talk?
Huh?
Do I ever get a chance to talk?
What you
We
got to
stopped you
say?
because you committed a traffic violation.
How that committed the traffic
Huh?
violation? What
Did
traffic?
you hear what the other officer told you?
He didn't say it.
What did the other officer tell
He
you?
He
didn't
never
say-
said that. He
Actually,
said
sir,
he
he
said his
did.
car is not registered.
Okay, and that's a traffic violation.
It's a brand new car and we just bought it.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Would you like for me to show you? Here's the deal.
No,
Here-
I'll
here-
show you
here's-
my registration.
Listen.
Open the glove box.
Yeah, grab the registration.
Grab my registration. That's a bunch of nonsense. A brand new car I just bought, and you telling me it's not registered.
Yep. So here's what happens. This. Okay, hold on 1 second here. Okay. So.
You straight?
So what?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to tell you.
Okay.
Who did you purchase the car through?
What you mean who I purchased it through?
Who did you purchase? Which part
What
of that question
dealership?
Yes.
What
Where did you
dealership? Say
purchase
what
this car?
dealership? Because you say what person. Person is a person. What dealership?
I'm not-
Toyota or
listen.
Tampa Bay.
Listen, we'll just give him the ticket and be done with this.
It's no ticket to be given. Yeah, okay.
What's
Just
this
to know, my father's a retired sergeant for the sheriff department, and my mom was TPD. So what did they teach me? What
Have that respect to police officers, sir?
respect?
Yes, sir. The lack
He snatched my driver's license when I asked him what he pulled me over for. I had my ID right here, and I said, "What you pulled
Sir,
me?"
you don't have to plead your case out to me. Okay?
I don't have to what?
He doesn't do it well.
Oh, okay, now we macho. The gang members are here, so they real hard now, guys.
Yup.
The gang members, yep.
What's your badge number, sir?
216.
Yours too?
558.
Yours?
Oh,
I need names. We need
My
names.
16 and 14
We need names.
USF gang.
We need names and badge numbers,
He's
please.
showing you how they would be harassed. That's why I don't
Names.
let them drive alone by themselves, because they get harassed.
We need
He was
all
driving
your
aggressively.
names.
Who was the driver?
We need
Which
all
one you ran
y'all.
the red light? You ran the red light right there, right? And the reason I stopped and hit on brakes and you pulled me is because I hit on brakes. Because you ran the red light, and I thought you was teenagers driving aggressively, and I say, look, sons, this is not how to drive.
But that's how to talk to police. That's
Yeah, that's what's weird. That's exactly what happened. Now we got other gang members coming up.
gang members.
Yeah.
So that means
You're a gang.
straight?
Yeah. They retired gang members.
Oh, they're retired?
Yeah, they retired.
Yes, sir.
30 plus years. They probably hired a few of you guys. You never know.
No, sir, they didn't.
You don't know that.
I do know that.
Macho man.
Are you okay? You're looking kind of hard in here, sir. Oh.
Gang members put on the show, huh? This is exactly why, every day in and day out, Daddy teach y'all have no clue who I am, but it's all good. It's all good. This is exactly what I teach y'all, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Your education.
Education.
Yeah.
What they pulling up for? It's already 20 of you.
You know
out
what?
here.
When Daddy bought his brand new Dodge Charger in 2007,
They did
and
the same
they did
thing.
the same thing with a paper tag. The other gang members pulled me a brand new car. They did the same thing.
Dang, bro.
Gang member.
Yeah. It's a gang member. No, it wasn't a traffic stop. You ran the red light. And driving aggressively, and you look like a random car. And I told my sons, look at these guys driving aggressively. Don't drive like this, guys, when y'all start driving. And because I hit on brakes, that's why I got pulled off, because you was right on my butt. And I thought you was a teenager thinking you a street hawk or something. Yeah, a street hawk. Driving aggressively.
I feel bad for you.
Yeah.
I really feel bad for these poor kids
And I feel bad for your poor tail, too.
being taught by that such ignorance.
And being taught by white people.
I feel bad.
A victim of ignorance. Don't even respond to that, son. A victim of ignorance. That's all.
Feel bad for us poor kids.
Yeah.
Deep down inside, I wish I could help you guys, man,
Yeah.
but
Tell
I
Trump
fear
that.
that fear that you're beyond
All
belief.
right,
You're
okay.
beyond help, man.
You know that office right there, the one in Ybor City?
No,
The
there's.
sheriff, because you're a TPD officer, so you
That's
are the
correct.
weakest link. You ain't even the sheriff.
Hey,
My father retired the
maybe
sheriff
the
right
weakest
here
link.
in Ybor City. So you are the
Thank
weakest
him-
link.
thank
Be a
him.
sheriff. Be a sheriff.
When you're done talking,
be a county.
when you're done talking, let me know. I got something to say.
City policemen are cowards.
City policemen are cowards. All right,
I
thank you.
turned down
Hey, tell your
positions.
father thank him for his service on my behalf.
Yeah,
man.
he's
I'm
deceased.
appreciative.
He's
I'm
deceased.
appreciative of
Yeah,
that.
he's deceased.
Stop moving, they gonna feel threatened.
Oh, yeah, okay.
They gonna feel threatened.
I was just putting the registration
You right.
up. It's all
They
good.
gonna feel threatened some type
Sir,
of
there's
way.
very
He's a
little you or
rookie.
your
Why are
family
you
can do
talking
to
to
threaten
her?
me right now, man.
You're definitely right.
If it makes you feel any safer,
No,
Yeah, look at that.
I feel very safe.
that's good. That's
Yeah.
that's our job, man, to
Oh,
make
yeah.
everybody in the
You don't
community
seem
feel
like it.
safe.
Hey, don't tongue wrestle with him.
I'm not tongue wrestling. I'm just defending myself with my words.
You all good. Don't say anything, man. He beating on my back window for my son, 13 years old back there. He beating on the back window.
Okay, sir, can I explain something?
No, I'm gonna see a sergeant after all y'all give me my stuff back because he was beating on the back window with my 13-year-old.
We have a criminal charge right now. We can take you to jail. So
criminal charge? What criminal charge you got on me?
You're operating a motor vehicle that is not registered in the state of Florida. That's a criminal charge. Okay. So we can just check me out. Please don't walk yourself into jail now. We're not trying to take you to jail. Understand this? You're operating a motor vehicle that's not registered. That's a criminal charge. It's a misdemeanor. Okay. So if these officers wanted to, they can take you to jail.
My tag just
Sir,
came in the mail
your vehicle
though.
is not registered. Whatever you got going on with the dealership, that's on you. You're responsible for operating and maintaining this vehicle. Right now, you're operating a vehicle that's not registered. It's a misdemeanor in the state of Florida. We can take you to jail and we can impound the vehicle.
Systematically something in the system that got screwed up.
Sir, that's not on us.
That's not on us. It's not on us either.
Yes,
the dealership messed up on something.
It's on you, sir. It's on you.
It's not,
so check this
no,
out.
but I'm saying they just mailed me
I'm
my.
not going to raise my voice.
No, they just mailed me my tag. My fiance can send me my tag right now. But I'm saying I got a question. I got a question.
He's trying to explain something to you.
Okay?
All right.
If it's not registered, why did they send me a tag?
Wait to ask your question when he's done explaining it. That would make sense.
I want to talk to you over there because the next step is putting you in handcuffs and taking you to jail.
Put him in handcuffs.
That's fine. You're over here. Sir, listen to what he's saying to stop playing games. That's fine.
You're showing and you're proving that you don't understand and you're not willing to understand. So the next step is to take you to jail. That's what I'm going to do. You can be on camera saying that. I'm going to take you to jail if you continue to behave this way. What I want you to understand is this vehicle is not registered. I don't care what happened in the dealership. That's not my problem. That's your problem. Okay? So what these officers are telling you is the reason they pulled you over is because your vehicle is not registered. All right, I wasn't there for the initial traffic stop, but me coming up, your attitude is completely unnecessary.
Oh, you wasn't here? Oh, okay. I thought you was.
So what you need to realize is this. Right now, you committed a criminal violation that you go to jail for. These officers are offering to give you a citation instead of taking you to jail. Okay? It may be funny, but what's not going to be funny is when you go to jail and your kids have to get picked up and you take your car. That's not going to be funny. Then you have to pay thousands of dollars to get it out of an impound and bail yourself out. It's not worth it. You need to lose your attitude, sir. And then, not right now, when I'm done talking. But when you're in the wrong,
10 police cars, and we in the wrong because we just got a car. That's crazy.
if you knew the law and you understood the law, you would understand that law enforcement
Definitely know the laws.
following certain traffic laws if they're going to enforce others. You should know that if your parents are law enforcement.
That's what I'm about to
So
say.
all I'm telling you is this. I don't care who your family is. You committed a crime right now, so that's why you're being detained. The next step is going to be you going to jail. So what I would suggest is that you go back and sit in your car, and when they bring you your citations, you're going to initial them, you're going to thumbprint them, and then you're not going to drive this car out of here. You're going to have to find an alternative route because this car is not legal to be driven on the state of Florida. It doesn't matter.
I want to know why they mailed me a tag, though.
And here's the deal. We're not out here looking for the petty stuff. But when you give us a reason,
The tip jar is the same on the car. But according to the state of Florida, I guess he's got this real tag, but instead of Florida's issue this real tag, why the real tag is on the car? I don't know.
Like, I thought you were taking it off. They got 3 Tango guys out there. I just know once I was pulled, I was upset because I didn't know you guys were doing that. No, I'm saying I didn't know you was in the car. And I thought someone was driving aggressively right on my rear on a brand new car.
Exactly. Why are you knocking on a 14-year-old window?
That's okay. We thought you had an attitude also.
Yeah.
Signed here by this set.
I need my glasses. Can I get my glasses?
The unprofessional conduct of the officers driven by anger rather than a commitment to the law is deeply concerning. While the driver's action may have been a poor decision, it does not justify the officer's behavior. Running a red light in an unmarked vehicle, reacting unprofessionally to the driver's legitimate frustration, making baseless threats of arrest, and failing to handle the situation calmly and respectfully all demonstrate a severe lapse in judgment and conduct. threatening to take the father to jail simply because the car was not registered, despite him providing proof of recent purchase and registration, is a clear abuse of power. Such threats are not only unjustified, but also indicative of an intent to intimidate rather than uphold the law. When officers allow their emotions to dictate their actions, it undermines their ability to perform their duties effectively and ethically. It's the responsibility of the police to set a positive example and de-escalate volatile encounters. Two wrongs don't make a right, and this clip is evidence that the saying still stands today.
Yes?
Do you have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
What are you stopping me for?
Go ahead and provide that information and we'll be more than happy to let you know.
Well, you have to have a crime or infraction for me to identify myself, sir.
Who am I speaking with?
The driver of this car. What's your name and badge number?
Officer Schneider.
Officer Schneider. What is the nature of the stop?
I don't want to know why you're driving by me with the window down. I'm not sure what you're doing.
Is that a crime, sir?
Okay.
Is that illegal?
Suspicion. Okay.
Is it a crime? Is that a lawful stop because I drove with my window down?
I gave you the reason for the stop. Who am I speaking with?
The driver of this car.
Okay. Provide your identification.
For what? I didn't commit a crime.
Okay.
Driving with the window down is not unlawful. If that's all you've got, you better get a supervisor out here.
Who am I speaking with?
You don't need to know that. I haven't broken a law.
Where are you headed to tonight?
That's none of your business.
It is some of my business.
It's not your business. It's irrelevant to you.
No, it's not.
Why is it not irrelevant?
This is the third time that I've seen you driving by. When you drive by with your window down and your hand hanging out, saying...
Is that against the law?
Okay. It raises reasonable suspicion for me to stop you.
Suspicion is not a crime. You've stopped me.
Okay. So who am I speaking with? So I can...
You don't need to know that.
I do need to know that.
For what?
To know if you have a reason to be in this area now at this point in time.
Is it illegal to be in this area?
Okay. We've had crimes going on in this area. And
Wonderful.
You're a suspicious person in this area.
Okay.
I want to know who I'm speaking with.
Okay. You don't need to know.
Are you the owner of this vehicle?
Unless I've broken a law, I don't have to identify. Now, am I free to leave?
No, you're not at this point, okay?
What crime are you stopping me for?
I advise you why you're stopped.
Suspicious is not a crime. When I've done something wrong, then you may stop and detain me.
Are you the owner of this vehicle?
I'm not answering any questions. You let me know when I'm free to go, and if I'm not, you get a supervisor out here who can explain to you that unless I've broken a law, you cannot detain me, and I do not have to identify.
Where are you headed to tonight?
That's none of your business. I already told you I'm not answering questions.
Where are you coming from?
Are you stupid? Obviously you are.
Why do you think that I'm stupid?
You let me know when I'm free to go.
Okay. Where are you headed to tonight?
Do you always violate people's rights?
Not violating any rights at this time.
Absolutely you are.
What rights am I violating?
You're unlawfully detaining me. You're violating my Fourth Amendment right to travel freely.
So I'm not violating any rights.
I haven't committed a crime.
Okay.
Driving is not illegal. Driving with the window down is not illegal. Driving in this area is not illegal. So until you have a reason, kick rocks. Now, am I going to get that supervisor?
No, I don't find a reason to wake my supervisor up this time.
Well, you don't, but I do.
Okay. Then you can contact me.
Clearly, you have an issue with me driving.
That's my job to...
Your job to stop people unlawfully?
I'm not unlawfully stopping anybody.
You're preventing me from going to my destination.
Where is that? I'd be more than happy to let you continue on your destination.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Where's your destination?
Goodbye. Goodbye. All right, you said goodbye. Am I being detained?
Everyone said you were being detained.
Not being detained. All right, for the record, this officer is not detaining me. All right, goodbye.
This clip is a perfect example that even though you operate in a motor vehicle, you don't always have to provide license, registration, and insurance. This situation is a bit tricky, so let's break it down. As the clip begins, we hear Mackie Lee ask, "What's the reason for the stop?" The officer says, "I want to see why you drove by me with the window down." Immediately, Mackie Lee, being aware of his rights, knows that driving with your window down is not a crime or a traffic violation. Therefore, he was being unlawfully stopped and doesn't need to provide any of his information. This traffic stop violates the individual Fourth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures. When confronted with the unlawful traffic stop, individuals have the right to assert their constitutional protections and refuse to comply with requests for license, registration, and insurance. The catch is getting the cop to say what he actually stopped you for. And if it's not a valid reason, then you don't have to comply. However, most law enforcement officers won't tell you the reason for the stop until you provide the information they're requesting, but Mackie Lee got lucky in this situation. Additionally, the officer's decision not to contact his supervisor and allow the man to go without obtaining information he initially requested for underscores the officer's acknowledgement of the lack of a valid reason for the initial stop.
Don't bother me! You're bothering me. How much more can I pull over for? Yeah. How much more do you need? I'm just trying to go for a walk. I'm not real happy about all the construction, and then this guy pulls me over.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
No, I don't have to stay in the car. I don't have to stay in the car.
What's your problem?
You!
You're driving by, you're over here giving gang signs, flipping me off.
Gang signs? You don't even... Dude, your Taos
education
has failed you.
So what's going on?
Your high school education and Taos has failed
Well, I
you.
need your driver's license.
No,
now,
you don't. I don't have to
registration,
give you
insurance.
nothing.
I do.
I didn't break the law. I didn't do nothing. I'm in my car
You're taking
constraining
your hands
myself.
off the wheel. That's careless driving.
No, dude.
Yeah,
You're
dude.
making stuff up.
Ma'am.
No.
License,
Go away.
registration,
Call your
insurance.
supervisor.
License,
Call your
registration, insurance.
supervisor. Yeah, call your supervisor because you know you're wrong, dude. I fucking read law for bedtime stories. Yes, I do.
Then practice it.
I didn't do anything
Then practice
wrong.
it.
Go away.
Your hands are off the wheel.
I got one hand on the wheel.
So that's careless.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Ma'am,
No,
I'm not
you
gonna
don't.
argue
You
with
can't. You are arguing with me. Go away.
I need your
I'm
license.
gonna go. No,
registration,
you don't get
insurance.
nothing from
Yes.
me. I didn't break the law.
No.
You pulled me over because you don't like my attitude. That is not unlawful.
I saw your
Go
hands off
away.
the wheel.
No, I did not have
That's careless
both hands
driving.
off the wheel. You could not see in my vehicle. You were behind me. Go away.
And what were you doing?
Go.
One
I'm
hand
trying
was-
to go for a walk.
One hand was off
because
the wheel.
bureaucrats are annoying. Yes,
Well,
go
you're
away.
You're the one that's causing
Go
all this
away.
attention.
I'm
okay?
trying to go for a walk and I'm being harassed by a little cousin. So go away.
A little cousin.
Yeah, go away.
Okay, whatever.
Go away.
Ma'am, I need your license.
You don't
registration,
get
insurance.
my license. I didn't do anything wrong. You couldn't see in my inside my car. You're behind me. You're making things up.
No, ma'am.
I don't appreciate you. I'm a female veteran. I just try to take care of my mother and go out for a walk a couple times a week.
And I'm
And then
telling
you're
you.
bothering me.
And I'm telling
Go
you,
away.
The reason for the stop. Ma'am, if you leave, I will have more deputies on your ass.
You can't get into my fucking car. Get out of my fucking car. You are not allowed to open my car, dude. You open my car? You open my car? I got it all, dude. I got it all. I'm singing in my music, I'm listening to my music, and you pull me over for no reason.
So I have my sergeant coming to talk to you now, okay?
Then go away. Then let me break it out to your sergeant. Then you go away.
Break it out to him.
Gonzalez. Don't man me.
But you're not gonna leave here.
Because you're a fucking control freak, dude.
Ma'am, I stopped you for
Don't
a reason.
man me.
And what are
I
you?
don't like it.
And what are you?
You can call me veteran. Because that's what I
How do I
am.
know if you served?
Look at my plate. You were right behind me, you fucking idiot.
How do I know that belongs to you?
Because your deductive reasoning skills haven't failed you?
I think something's failed you. Because right now you're being really uncooperative.
Dude, you pulled me over for going for a walk.
I pulled you over for careless driving.
No, dude, you were behind me.
No.
You can't even see in my car. I'm singing my music. I'm jamming out, and you pull me over because you don't like how I look.
Because your hands were off.
No, dude. No, you're grasping, dude. You're grasping.
No.
You can't see my hand. No, dude. You're freaking making stuff up. You're wasting your time. You're wasting my time. I only have so much time that I can leave my mother.
Well, let me see your license.
No! Go away!
Ma'am, you want to go see a judge right now?
Dude, I didn't do anything wrong. You have no probable cause.
I'm telling you the probable cause.
No, you're making stuff up, dude. That's what you small town sheriffs do. You don't like somebody, and then you freaking give them a hard time because you don't like somebody. That's egomaniacal. That has nothing to do with God, dude. Check this out. I'm even a pastor, dude. You're freaking giving clergy a hard time.
Look how you're acting.
Because I got PTSD and I'm being harassed by a little badge. That's why. I've been to war, dude. I was in Operation Iraqi. And that's why all this is so stupid.
That's cool, dude.
No, go away. Just go in your car and wait till your supervisor. Get away from me. I don't have to listen to you.
Stand by for that. I got my sergeant over here, okay? He's gonna talk to you.
He contacts his supervisor, who promptly informs him that stopping someone solely for flipping him off is not only unnecessary, but also a clear violation of the law.
Can I talk to you like a reasonable person?
Go ahead. Say everything you gotta say.
So, ma'am, the whole reason for the stop was because I saw you have your hands off the wheel. You can give me all the gestures you want, okay? That doesn't bother me. But when you take your hands off the wheel, that's a concern. That's careless driving. That's why I pulled you over, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So all I'm gonna ask, ma'am, is you just keep your hands on the wheel, okay?
Okay.
You continue on with your day, all right?
All right. Have a good one.
The officer's actions in this interaction raised serious concerns about potential constitutional violations, particularly regarding the Fourth Amendment's protection against unlawful searches and seizures and the First Amendment's guarantee of free expression. Stopping someone based on speculative claims like careless driving without clear evidence, coupled with retaliatory behavior over protected gestures, reflects a misuse of power that demands accountability. Courts have repeatedly affirmed that gestures or speech critical of law enforcement are protected under the First Amendment, making any retaliatory actions unconstitutional. Opening the driver's car door without probable cause represents a blatant Fourth Amendment violation. The officer's justification that the driver was allegedly carelessly driving based on unsupported claims fails to meet the legal standard required to breach a citizen's vehicle. We commend the cameraman's composure and determination throughout this encounter. By calmly pushing back against intimidation and firmly asserting their rights, they turned a difficult situation into a teachable moment. To Third Eye Activated, your efforts are a beacon of justice, and we stand with you as you pursue accountability for this egregious conduct. Your work underscores the critical need for law enforcement to act with integrity and respect for the rights they are sworn to uphold. Let's keep going.
Just checking the parking lots, man. Make sure you guys are doing okay.
Yeah, we're doing good.
Yeah. Okay, man. What's your name?
For what?
I'm just contacting you. I just have to. So
You have to.
So there's a law that just came out.
Okay.
To where anybody I contact, even if it's consensual, I have to get your demographics so I can
Really?
say that I contacted you. Yes.
No. That's not the law.
Yes, it is.
Nope.
With Senate Bills 217.
No, this is not a stop and ID state.
Okay, so I have to say that I did contact you.
Okay. Good. You say that.
Okay. And also, when I run the plate,
Okay.
it is coming back with a warrant hit.
Okay.
So I just want to make sure that you're not the person. And
Nope, I'm not the person.
So can I get your name?
No.
And why not?
Well, this is first you said that you have to ID me. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
This is not a stop and ID state.
Says who?
What do you mean says who? It's a law. It's a law,
So
sir.
the law states now that anybody I contact,
Okay.
I need to get an ID so I can say that I contacted you.
No, I don't think so. That's
Yes,
not
it
the
is.
law. This is private property, sir.
It is not. It is a public parking lot.
No, this is private property.
It is a public parking lot.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm sorry.
That we're gonna get arrested.
Yeah, you're scaring my kid. There's no point of this. You know, this is
Okay, well,
ridiculous.
Wouldn't have to scare him if you were cooperative.
Well, no. That's just ridiculous, man. That's just ridiculous.
Okay.
I'm sorry, man.
Sorry for what? For being uncooperative?
Oh no, I'm just not gonna give you all this free information for nothing. We're just sitting here. We're not doing anything wrong. We're waiting for somebody.
Okay, and like I said, when I ran the plate, it came back with the warrant hit, and I want to make sure it's not
Sorry,
you.
it's not me. Yeah, it's
how
not me.
How do I know that? Because I
I'm
don't know your
sorry,
name.
it's not me. I don't know.
Because I don't know
what
your
to tell
name.
you.
Until I can get your name.
I'm sorry. I'm not the type of person who releases
Can I at least
my
get
name
your
like
first
that. No, absolutely not. No, I'm sorry, bud.
All right, sir. Have a good day.
You have a good day too.
Big shout out to Danky the Clown for asserting his rights. Remember, law enforcement officers are allowed to lie to you, and that's exactly what just happened here. So I looked up Senate Bill 217, also known as the Enhanced Law Enforcement Integrity Act. So this is a bill passed by Colorado legislators, and it was signed into law on June 19th, 2020. So the whole point of this bill is to enhance the accountability and transparency of law enforcement officers in Colorado by implementing several new measures. Simply put, some of the key provisions of the Senate Bill 217 is 1. The requirement for all Colorado law enforcement officers to wear body-worn cameras while on duty. Another provision of the bill establishes a statewide database to track incidents involving use of force by law enforcement officers. So it's actually nothing in this bill that allows Colorado law enforcement officers to get your information just because they made contact with you. So that was a complete lie. Always stay up to date on your local, state, and federal laws so you can send them packing on the walk of shame just like Danky the Clown just did.
Is this window go down?
Sorry, my window don't go down.
Oh, I can't open it. I can't. This window don't go down.
I'm the supervisor. You don't see what he wanted.
Yeah. He's trying to get me the ID without.
You'll have to open it.
He's trying to get me the ID without me committing a crime or an act of a crime or about to commit a crime. And that's the only reason why. That's the only way I know I know of the law that I'd have to ID. Otherwise, I don't have anything to do with this traffic stop. It's between him and the driver.
Well, I understand that, but we have the right to identify everybody in the vehicle.
Who's your supervisor?
My supervisor?
Yeah, because it's not the way it is. I got to be committing a crime, about to commit a crime, or an act of a crime to be ID'd.
Here's the deal.
I mean, I don't have any warrants on me or nothing like that. I'm just standing up for my rights. And I'm not trying to be difficult.
No, now listen, here's the deal. We have the right to identify everybody in the vehicle.
That's false. That's
And
false.
If you don't provide ID,
You're also allowed to lie to me too.
then I can. If you don't provide me ID, then I can get you out of the car and detain you until we figure out who you are.
That'd be illegal detainment.
No, it's not.
Oh yes, it will be. I promise you, it will be. Can you get your
Go
supervisor
ahead and
here?
step out.
I don't have any weapons on me. I don't consent to any searches or seizures. So.
All right. Well, as right now, you're just being detained until.
Buddy, I'm allowed to record.
Turn around, you're being detained.
No, I'm allowed to record.
You're being detained.
I'm allowed to record.
You're being detained.
You're violating my First Amendment rights too.
All right, step right over here.
The actions displayed in this clip by the supervisor are tyrannical, especially cuffing someone while on camera simply because he believed that he could identify anyone in the vehicle. Jimmy said all the right things to put this supervisor on notice, which should have stopped him in his tracks. Unfortunately, the cop is uneducated on the law he was sworn to uphold. This clip proves that it's a broader issue of police overreach in this country. We see it far too often. Officers demanding identification without any reasonable suspicion or probable cause. They are essentially engaging in harassment. This kind of behavior can intimidate citizens, discouraging them from exercising their rights. Don't let it, because situations like this are always brought to the light, and it can be used to educate the uneducated, including this sergeant. Let's continue.
The guy's over here. This guy's truck running. I hope it's not unlocked, because anybody could just jump in that and kill people with this vehicle, but we'll see. Let's see what happens. We have two friends down over here.
You're not really having people on this side of our building. No, that's not. I see you recording. I'm Officer Torres with ECM Police. I see you recording. Is there something I can help you with?
Yeah, I just wondered if the township building was open today.
It's not open with the holiday.
Even though it's Friday, huh?
They observe the holiday either the Friday or the Monday.
Right. Depending if Saturday or Sunday.
So just a police station open today then? Is
Yes.
the library open?
I'm not sure. You could check over there.
Probably
They're
not.
separate from us.
Oh, are they? I thought, isn't it the same building now?
It's the same building,
But
but
on
they're
the other
separate
side?
from us. They have their own hours in operation.
Yeah, so where are you guys heading off to?
I'm making contact with you.
Oh, you
because
came
we
out
don't
purposely
typically
to
have
make contact
people
with
on
us.
the side of our building. So
Nice.
you're here for a reason. What's up? What can I help you with?
I'm just observing, see what our police do on a daily and how they prepare to go out and stuff. Just, you know,
Put their seatbelts on.
recording, you know, the daily routines of officers for unknown reasons.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Well, can I get your names?
You could if I cared to give it.
All right. Well, if you don't want to get it, I ask you to please move along?
Well, again,
This isn't an area that we have people.
There
hang
isn't
out
really
at.
any signage that states that we can't be back here. It just says we can't park.
Take that up with my supervisor.
actually, you can take it up with your supervisor.
Yeah, could you do
Would you
that?
like me to get them here?
Well, you don't need to. I'm just saying.
Well, I'm asking you a simple question to please move along,
So real
and you're
quick.
not okay with that.
No,
so
I'm-
I'll get my
I'm fine with that.
supervisor.
Now, the real problem is if you don't want people back here, then you need to post it.
I will bring that up
And
the
that-
chain
that's
of
the-
command.
that's the only thing.
I will
It's
bring
just
it up
that
the
simple.
chain of command.
Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
Look, I will bring it up to my chain of command, but I don't understand why you're giving me a problem when
We're
I'm
not.
asking you nicely.
We're not giving you a problem. We don't expect to be given a problem. We're just, you know, we're out here. We're not doing anything wrong.
Property where we're walking through. We
We're just
respect
filming
all
freely.
Central 22 on 36.
signage. We respect all signage, and unfortunately for you guys, there is no signage saying we can't be back here.
Can you just document an incident? I have two white males on the side of the building refusing to move along.
Refusing is a different term. We're having a conversation here.
No problem.
There's no refusing, you know. We'll happily move along.
Then please do so, especially
again-
since you won't give me your information.
Like, why would, is that like crap to you guys? Information?
It's
You
not
can't
a
just
crap,
be like
no,
a
but anytime
hello
we have-
citizen.
look, anytime
how
we
you
have-
doing?
anytime
Sorry,
we
excuse
have-
me, I'm talking. You know, we f***ed up by not putting signs out here. We know we're stupid. we
Nobody's
should do
saying
better
that.
than that.
Okay, you
okay,
clearly
if you
have
don't
a
want
problem
us back
with
there.
us. So what
no,
is it
why
that
would
you
you
want?
even say
What,
something
can
like
I help
that?
you with something?
Why would you even say something like that? Why would you slander somebody like that?
Because
Why would
that's
you
what
do
you're
that?
doing.
No, I'm not.
That's
We're
what
saying
you're doing.
if
I'm
you
asking
don't
you to
want
please
us
move
back
along.
here, then put signage
I told
up.
you I'll bring it up to my chain of command, but in the meantime, I need you to move along.
But now therein lies the problem: is why do we need to move along?
Because you're not allowed over here to just hang
Then
out.
if we're not allowed over here to hang out, then you need to put signage
The proper signage should be up,
all
you
we're
know.
saying.
Anybody could wander in here.
consideration and bring it up my chain of
How you
command.
doing, buddy? Like, imagine.
I can't put a sign out right this second.
Like, right
The
on.
problem is that we don't have signage. They want to.
We were just observing
That we wear our seatbelts,
the everyday routines.
You guys can go inside. Have a good day.
Thank you. Right on. Attorney.
We got cameras out here.
Right, Attorney General's Directive 2021-11. It was just announced about a week or two ago.
It's a walk of shame right there. Hey, Danielle.
Hey, Danielle.
I got it.
Got it?
Good. Thanks, man. Thanks a lot.
So again,
Appreciate
we're
you.
just walking through.
Yeah. It's nothing nefarious or anything.
Well. To leave and shit? No, we're not refusing to leave.
Power tripping and stuff like that. Yeah, it's not cool. It should never really happen. Hopefully they're coming back out to apologize to us and to turn the car off at least.
You coming back out to apologize for the way you treated us? No? Yes? Sir, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Chief Chill. Have a good day.
I'm sorry they wasted your time, sir.
Yeah, you might want to train them a little bit better because they're way out of control. Ego-filled maniacs.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Ego-filled maniacs.
First, unless a public area has clear no trespassing signs or restricted access notices, citizens have every right to be there. In New Jersey, officers need lawful grounds to restrict public access or to enforce trespassing laws, and in this case, they had neither. Instead of explaining or de-escalating, officers relied on intimidation, which only exposes their lack of understanding or respect for First Amendment rights. The Supreme Court's ruling in Houston versus Hill supports this right, stating that citizens are allowed to verbally question police actions without fear of retaliation. This is classic ego-driven policing, where feelings replace facts. When officers choose confrontation over conversation, they push people further from seeing law enforcement as a source of protection. If you're in a public area, filming, observing, or just standing around, police have no right to remove you without proper legal justification. In the end, after some back and forth, the officers realized they had no legal basis to enforce their demands. They eventually backed off, leaving without issuing citations or making arrests. And let's keep going.
How you doing today? How you doing today, sir?
Good. Name and badge number, please.
Sergeant Merton.
Sergeant.
Badge number 2148.
Your name again, I'm sorry.
Sergeant Merton.
Merton?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Badge number 2148. Reason we got called out here, two reasons. One, I'm sure you probably know the post office called on you.
Of course.
All right, so they're telling me that you've been notified not to loiter. Is that correct?
No one's talked to me about it.
Nobody's contacted you? Okay. And then the second one, obviously, as you know, you can't be standing in front of the driveway where they're going in and out of.
Right,
on the sidewalk, you're fine. When I first drove by, I saw you over here in the driveway.
No, I was never in
You're
the
actually
driveway.
right here, sir. So, all right.
so-
I know you're recording.
I have it on camera where I was
know,
standing.
but I also drove by, I also see where you're standing.
Okay, so...
All I'm advising you is that be careful until you don't get hit by a car.
Okay, sir, I'm 42 years old. I know not to get hit by a car.
Okay.
So you know not to tell a grown man not to get hit by a car.
Okay, but there's always two parties of people getting hit. You can control where you're going walking,
right?
But there's also drivers.
I also understand where not to stand.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
So I don't need to be told where not to stand.
Well, I'm warning you so you don't get hurt and so nobody else hits you.
Okay, I don't need to be warned either.
Well, I am warning you, so it's already been taken care of.
So you can do that if you'd like, and that's fine.
That's perfect.
However, I don't see the point to that because, like I said, I was standing right here the whole time. I crossed.
Okay.
To record the other side.
Okay.
But I was never in the driveway, and I never was blocking cars.
Well, I just got here, so I don't know what the post office is seeing.
Okay.
They're telling me, like I said, I told you why they called me.
Well, that's fair.
So you're telling me they haven't contacted you. I will contact them.
No one's contacted
They're advising
me.
that you were loitering.
Loitering on the public sidewalk. Is that even a thing?
No.
No. Okay, so please let them know that that's not even a thing.
I will talk to them. I just want to let you know why I'm here talking to you.
Okay.
All right.
That's fair enough.
You're on the sidewalk, recording. You were fine to do what you're doing.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You agree with that?
We agree with that.
Okay. And you're just gonna be careful you don't get hit. We can agree with that.
Fair enough.
All right. I'm gonna contact them.
Okay.
And find out why they said that you were loitering when they didn't even contact you.
They didn't even contact
They
me.
didn't even talk to you. All right.
I walked into the lobby earlier,
Okay.
walked all around and recorded, walked out, and I've been standing over here.
Sounds fair enough.
I was inside for 5 minutes max.
And nobody contacted you?
Nobody said anything. Went through the lobby, no one said anything.
Always two sides of the story.
Always
so they're
two
telling me one
sides.
thing and then you're telling me one thing.
Well,
So.
got it here. So.
And that will help, obviously, if they should make some sort of complaint against you.
There you go.
Filmed it all, it's all good to go.
You got it all.
All right. So, with that being said, that's the only reason I'm out here.
Okay.
So, you have any questions for me?
No questions for you.
All right, I will talk to them. Otherwise, you're not doing anything illegal, so I have no reason to detain you.
All right, very professional.
You bet.
Appreciate
Oh,
your
you bet.
contact.
Sure, you have a good night.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Thank you very
Hey, this cop didn't violate any civil rights, but just for giving so many directives and cop-splaining, here we go.
much.
Yeah, be safe.
This was a decent interaction. However, I just hate it when cops talk to citizens like we're 5 years old. This cop's main issue was with Valley Community Watch being in the driveway, but this cop pulled up and blocked anyone from entering the same driveway. That's some cop logic for you. Rules for thee, but not for me. Also, this cop lied saying you were standing in the driveway, so he's just like the rest of his gang. That's why he had to take the walk of shame. Oh, and Valley Community Watch, I love the editing in your videos.
Is this what you do all day, is pirate people, take their money?
Want to fill me in what you're doing right now?
I don't tell you anything. Is that what you do all day, is take people's money?
Just want a law enforcement officer. I actually do my job all day.
Yeah, stealing people's money?
I don't steal money.
Put them in a boondoggle, kangaroo court, take their money? That's not what they do? What'd you get this person guy, this guy over here? What'd you get him for? Actually, it's public knowledge, so I can go down and get a freedom of information on that. You look like a fool is what you do. You look like a fool, and you're not helping the community. You're making yourself look bad by doing this kind of job instead of actually helping people. I'm sure there's dusty kids out there you can go inspect, and you probably contributed to them. Can I get your name, please? What's your name? A bunch of pirates. What are you pulling me over for?
Not doing so. You have plate frames on your vehicle or on the license plate. That's a display plate penalty.
No. This is a rental car. That's bullshit. I want your supervisor here now.
Oh, he's on his way.
Yeah, you better damn right.
License registration, please, sir.
No, not until your supervisor gets here.
All right, fine.
You're pulling tricks on me right now.
Absolutely not, sir.
Oh, you're bullshitting me.
You have plate frames in your car. It says Richmond Motor Sales on it. That's a violation of state law.
Bullshit.
No?
Bullshit.
Plates penalty, sir.
Why'd you pull me over right here? Can you do something safe up here? Can we go to the safest?
I feel completely safe right now, sir.
I don't.
You have an emergency vehicle back behind you with their lights.
I do not feel safe, especially with you with a gun right there, sir.
I do.
No, I don't feel safe at all.
That's fine. You still paying to identify yourself, sir?
Until your supervisor gets here, we're going to have a talk with him.
The frames are on both plates, by the way, so you know. I can wait.
Not illegal. Not illegal. You're just harassing me right now. You're just harassing me.
Absolutely not, sir.
Yes, absolutely you are. What's your name?
Officer 36.
No, what's your name?
36.
Name.
Yeah, if you're a bit polite to me, maybe I'd tell you about it. I don't like your attitude
Nah. I don't like your attitude. I don't like how you pull people over for victimless crimes. For stupid things like plate covers, which this is going to be just like, I'm going to be on my way.
Plate frame.
Plate frame.
Yes.
Whatever, dude. Whatever. Oh, I see another one. Oh, I see another one. Oh, I see another one. Let's keep going. Let's see if this guy's got one. No, he doesn't have one. He's got one. Is this your supervisor right here? Is this your supervisor?
Actually, yes, it is.
Good.
Yes, it is.
I want to talk to him, not him. I want to talk to you, not him. He can go away. He's getting me for plate covers. Plate covers.
What about it?
It's not illegal. Bullshit. Bullshit. Write me a ticket right now, and I'll be on my way. No. You know what? This is bullshit. You're a supervisor?
Yes.
And you say plate covers are illegal? Yes. You see every car down this road has a plate cover. You're pulling him over for it? He's harassing me right now. He's harassing me. What's that? Every car. Look at
That doesn't.
that. Coincidence. Coincidence. Oh, right there. There's one. You know it's a rental car? You know it's a rental?
You have the rental agreement, sir? In your license?
No, this is bullshit.
Right.
Bullshit.
You'd be on your way if you're a lot faster. Just get the ID.
I'd be on my way a lot faster if he wasn't harassing me for a plate cover. That's bull. Plate cover. Another plate cover. Whatever, dude. Whatever. You're just harassing me right now. You're harassing me. I want to be on my way.
Not gonna happen. I have to give me a license.
You're harassing me.
License rental agreement.
You're harassing me.
How much longer do you want to let this go on for? My patience is kind of wearing thin right now.
Why? What's going to happen?
Well, I have the legal authority to actually come out of the vehicle.
Well, I will provide, because you're threatening me with the arrest right now, I will provide you with my ID.
Very good.
I'm going to only give you the rental agreement for now, because that's all you need to prove that this is not my car that has it on there.
Operate the vehicle, sir. I need to see your license.
You're harassing me. I'm filing a complaint against you, 36, because you're a piece of shit. That's why. You're a piece of shit.